Hello, my name is Madeline Stalter, and I am so excited to share with you my final project of the Flatiron School Software Engineering Bootcamp. My application is called Puppy Magic, a project that was years in the making before I even learned software engineering. In 2017, I started my own pet care business called no other than Puppy Magic, named after a rescued greyhound that was previously forced to race. Additionally, ever since I was a child, I spent a lot of time volunteering at animal shelters. The greatest sorrow of mine was, and still is, seeing healthy, adoptable pets that were put down due to a lack of resources and shelter crowding. This application was built in order to solve the aforementioned issue to assist in the dog adoption processes by showing users available dogs that match their location preferences. My application, Puppy Magic, was built using JavaScript and React on the front end, Ruby, Rails, and PostgresQL on the back end, as well as styling technologies such as CSS. Puppy Magic leverages PetFinder's API to find adoptable pets that actually exist to make a tangible difference in the homeless pet populations here in the States. Puppy Magic also utilizes Tinder's swiping technology so that when the user is viewing their customized list of adoptable dogs displayed one at a time, they can swipe right on a dog to save that dog to their matches and set up an appointment to meet that dog, or swipe left to view other options. I also see value in my application due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with a lot of in-person events such as browsing dogs in the shelter going virtual. My hope is to build out this application to be more specific by working directly with one shelter to have a dynamic list of their available dogs and filter that list based upon things other than location, such as is the pet house trained or is the pet good with children. Schedule visits based upon their availability and pre-qualify users for adoption based upon their profile to be able to take one step closer to actually getting a dog adopted and saving many lives as a result. And having this happen in one easy place, Puppy Magic. So without further ado, when we start the server, we are brought to Puppy Magic's welcome page. At the bottom, there is a random sample of 3 dogs from the API that are currently available. If you really like the picture of one dog and want to follow up to get more information, we can click and be redirected to their PetFinder page. Going back to Puppy Magic, upon welcome, a user can log in or sign up. On sign up, the user will put in pertinent information that I hope to use to pre-qualify them when working directly with one shelter. For time's sake, I will log in with my pre-existing account. The logo that you see at the top there, I actually created and designed when I started my own business in 2017. So this is very cool for me to be able to culminate my past interests and all of my passions. Upon redirection from the welcome page, we are brought to Puppy Magic's homepage, where we'll be able to swipe through a list of dogs based upon our location preferences. The biggest thing for me as a user is that a dog must be good with cats and dogs because I currently have one of each. So going down, we see Washington. This is a default icon for when the dog does not have a picture on PetFinder. Let's see. He's not good with cats and dogs, unfortunately, so I don't think I would be a good fit for him. We have Eleanor. Again, not good with cats and dogs. We're going to swipe left. Clara, wow, a lot of dogs with no pictures. Again, not good with cats and dogs. Newton, again, not good with cats and dogs. Let's see. All right, regardless of my preferences, I want to show you that I can, in fact, swipe right. So we're going to swipe right on Nellie. Sometimes the clicking functionality of this is a little finicky, but as you can see, just swiped right. Now I've been very active on my application. I want to view my matches. I want to start following up on dogs to meet my new best friend. And we can do that by going to our profile, scrolling down, viewing matches. Oh, I remember Dale. Dale is good with other dogs. I'm very excited about Dale. I think he could be a great addition to my family. So I can go to his PetFinder profile picture to be able to follow up with that shelter. Going back to Puppy Magic, in my profile, I can also edit and delete. But for the sake of editing, that's important because I can edit all information, but specifically my postcode, which is filtering PetFinder's API and bringing me a list of dogs based upon that. So let's say I'm no longer in Syracuse, New York, as you can see, 13066. I am actually in Brooklyn. So I want to put my new updated postcode, update that profile. It reflects here and it will also reflect in the API. That is my application. If there are any questions, please comment on the post below. Please reach out to me. I would love to answer them. Thank you.